Cryptocurrencies have emerged as a transformative force in the financial landscape, altering how we perceive and interact with money. Initially designed as digital alternatives to traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have spurred a revolution in finance. Their decentralized nature allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries, which increases efficiency and reduces transaction costs. This shift is monumental, as it empowers individuals to take control of their own finances without relying solely on banks or financial institutions. The underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies, known as blockchain, plays a critical role in supporting and securing these digital currencies. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers in a way that is transparent and immutable. This means that once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, creating a sense of trust and security. As a result, blockchain technology not only supports cryptocurrency transactions, but also has far-reaching applications beyond finance, such as improving supply chain transparency, enhancing voting systems, and simplifying property ownership records. The impact of cryptocurrencies on the financial system is multifaceted. For one, they challenge traditional banking by offering an alternative for those who are unbanked or underbanked. With just a smartphone and internet access, individuals can participate in the global economy, accessing services like remittances, savings accounts, and microloans without needing a bank account. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies have begun to foster financial inclusion by reducing barriers to entry into the financial sector, allowing anyone from anywhere to engage in financial activities. However, while cryptocurrencies present numerous opportunities, they also pose challenges for regulatory bodies and traditional financial systems. Issues such as price volatility, potential for illicit activities, and consumer protection are significant concerns that lawmakers are currently grappling with. Governments around the world are exploring how to regulate the cryptocurrency market to ensure investor safety while still fostering innovation. Striking the right balance between regulation and innovation is critical to the future stability and acceptance of cryptocurrencies in the global economy. In conclusion, the relationship between cryptocurrencies and the financial system is complex and continually evolving. As blockchain technology continues to advance, it holds the potential to transform not just digital currency, but a myriad of industries, creating efficiencies and opportunities while presenting new challenges. As we move forward, understanding the implications of these changes will be essential for consumers, businesses, and policymakers alike, ensuring that the benefits of this technology can be harnessed while mitigating its risks.